Behold, the unboxing of one of my new subs. Skar Audio EVL 18. Man, I love 18s. It's so easy to get loud with 218s, man. It's like a cheat code. 218 and a giant box is a cheat code to get loud very easily. Nice vented motor. Something I didn't realize it had was, extra cooling in here underneath the dust cap. If you can see it. So the hose underneath the dust cap for extra cooling. Nice spiders. Pretty stiff. Not too stiff. And the surround is more beefier than I thought it was going to be. This is my first time actually owning a Skar sub. I have their mids and highs in the air, but I never owned a Skar sub. So I'm giving them a try. I was going to downgrade to 118, but when I was without bass, everybody was pulling up beside me, blasting their aftermarket sound system. I mean, like, knowing that I don't have, anything to play. They just blast their sound system at a stoplight. So I'm not going with just 118. I gotta get 218s. So 2 of these in a very big box on a lot of power should do the trick. Now, I wouldn't recommend running your subs way above rated power, but I've been doing this for a long time, so I kind of know what I'm doing. Sometimes I don't, but for the most part, I know what I'm doing. So do not run way overrated on your subs unless you absolutely know what you're doing. Anyways, I can't wait to get these installed. Yeah, these are a little bit stiffer than I thought it was gonna be, so I gotta break these in properly. I can't just slam them with a ton of power. So after break-in period, I'm going to really be hammering these.